Okay, welcome back to the mail merging section for paper May-June 2020, paper 22. So after we're done with task of documentation, let's carry on to the mail merging part. You're required to carry out a mail merge. Create a mail merge letter using the file J220 book.rtf as a master slide or as a master file document, and J220 220 tours.csv as the data source. Well, then this file is going to be the data source. Okay, let's go and open the first file, which is book.rtf. Can close the style part, and the source file is going to be the tours. If we open the tours file, let's have a look at the database that's going to be used for the mail merging. Highlight all of it and click in between any of the two letters, and we can see the database is consisting of 11 records that having fields of title, first name, last name, street, town, and different information. Okay, we don't need it currently, so we can just close it, and let's get back again to our master file. We're going to use all the things related here for the mail merging will be in the mailing tab. As you can see, most of the things are not activated here. As we connect it to the database file, it will be starting to be activated. So to connect it, the first step is select recipients and use an existing list. We have to go to the working place or working area and locate the file from there. And our file was tours.csv. There is nothing to be changed here. Okay, and as we can see here, most of the things are activated, and if you try to see here, we have 11 records as we checked in the source file. Nothing is going to appear yet here till we start to replace the chevrons. So let's get back again to the question. Replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source as follows. So we have here some chevrons that included here, all of them. We have to replace it with this merge fields. So the first one is TTL. Always use the keyboard and right and left arrow, and try not to use this extra space. Not to be connected. So this is going to be title. Insert and going to be title. The next one, last, going to be the last name. Add one, supposed to be street, and then add two, supposed to be town. Post. Holiday, tour name. So holiday is over here. Make sure we didn't skip anything over here. Okay, then let's go to the holiday, and it's going to be tour name, location, supposed to be region, length, supposed to be distance, okay, and the size supposed to be people, departure, leave supposed to be departure. And duration supposed to be duration. And the last one, cost supposed to be price, PP. Okay, over here. We didn't have to use some of them over here, so just ignore it. And if we try to click right now, preview result, we will be able to see that the names and all the replaced chevrons with the data are starting to be changed. Okay, let's get back again here. Make sure the spacing, punctuation and alignment in the original master documents are maintained. As I told you, try not to use the space and try to use from the keyboard the shift and arrow, right arrow and left arrow button, and not to take over those other punctuations or spaces. Replace the text candidate name with your name. It's over here, and just type your name. Enter your name, center number and candidate number in the header of the document. So to do this, double click over here, header, and add the blank 3 columns. They haven't mentioned on which alignment we have to add it, so we just can use the whole space. And then finally the candidate number, which will be given to you during the exam, before the exam. Save and print your master document, file, and then okay, before that we have to make sure everything is correct, and then we can just go and print the paper as everything's supposed to be showing, and we're supposed to show the chevrons. After this is going to be print out number 4, and we have to make sure that the name and candidate numbers both are showing, which is this one over here, and another one is on the header. Okay, after this, set an automated filter to select people who are booking for duration 4 or less. So 4, 3, 2, 1, or whatever is lower than this supposed to be included. So let's get back again to our mailing section, and let's click over here and click over the filter, and we're supposed to set it duration to 4 or less. So the column is supposed to be, the field supposed to be duration, and it's supposed to be 4 or less. That means less than or equal to 4. Okay, click on it. Did it reduce? I'm not sure. Let me check again. No, it's not added. So let me add it once again. Duration less than or equal 4 is supposed to be included, and I'm not sure what's wrong here. Oh, that's not people, that's duration. Okay, it's reduced. It's supposed to be 4, and the duration, let me have a look at the duration. It's supposed to be 4, 3, 3, 2. If we're not sure of it, we just can go to our data source and make sure of, are they supposed to be 4 selections or no. Okay, duration is here, so we have to choose 4 or less than 4. We have this, nope, not this one. So this, so 2, 4, 3, and this another 3. So we're supposed to get 4 records, which are correct right now, selected. Okay, click on OK. So what will happen here, the record will be only included to 4 people, and if we click on preview the result, we will find those 4 people's results are going to be showing only. Let me close this. Let's get back again to the question, and place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated selection method. Okay, that's going to be number 9. Let's get back again, edit the recipient and click on filter, and we have to show a selection. Let me extend this. If duration can be seen, that will be better. Otherwise, no, it's too far to be seen. Okay, I just can reduce it just to see the people, and click on filter, and we can take the screen capture for this. That's okay. Click on OK, and that's evidence number 9. As the previous evidence are going to be for the database paper. Make sure the title is not separated from the content. Okay, save it, and let's get back again to our question paper. Next question says, merge and print the letters for the selected people only. Save and close the files. Print the result of the merge. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on your letter. And then they want it only to be selected and printed for the selected only those 4 people. So to do this, over here, let's finish and merge, edit individual document. It is to all those 4 records, and as we can see here, they selected only those 4 records. On each page there will be only specific related information about that person. And their information are going to change depending on the database. After that, finally we just can go to the print and print all of our paper. Just make sure that your name is showing on the top over here and also over here. And that will be print out number 5. See you in the next paper for database, and I hope you got the points from this paper.